Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am making vanilla cupcakes. Perfect for Valentine's. So let's get started. But first things first. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. I have, for my decoration, powdered sugar, little sprinkles. The color, the food coloring, I have yellow, red, pink, and cupcakes, paper for cupcakes. I have cream cheese, butter with no salt, and of course, my piping bags. On this side, for my cupcake, I have cake flour, salt, baking powder, vanilla, eggs, sugar, water, and vegetable oil. I am ready to start making my vanilla cupcake. So let's get started. I have my bowl here. I'm going to start sifting my flour. I'm going to start with the flour. I am going to add my pinch of salt. I am going to add my 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm going to sift it very good. I am going to add my granulated sugar, sift one more time, and I'm going to throw away the little balls that stay there. I'm going to add my vegetable oil, add my vanilla extract, and to this I'm just going to put it aside and I'm going to add my eggs. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I like to crack my eggs in a separate bowl just in case the egg comes out bad. I don't have to throw away everything and then start all over again. Here I'm going to mix it very well. I am going to add my warm water at this point. And I'm going to mix it until it's incorporated completely. Look at this. It's nice and runny, and this is how it should be. I have my baking dish here. I'm going to start putting my liners inside. I am going to fill it, but not all the way up. Just like this. Look at this. I'm helping myself with a little spatula. Okay, I'm going to take it to the oven. I'll see you in a little bit. I'm going to start with my frosting. I have my butter and my cream cheese, and I'm going to start with the butter, unsalted butter. I have my whisk here, and I'm going to start mixing it. I'm going to mix it until the butter has changed color to pale white. It doesn't take too long, but we need it nice and fluffy. Look at this. It's nice and a pale white. To this, I'm going to add my cream cheese. Everything is at room temperature. This is so important. So let's mix it one more time. Okay, at this moment, I'm just gonna clean all the surface all around, even the bottom, just to make sure that everything is incorporated. Just like that. Right now is the time when I'm going to add my vanilla extract, and it's 1 teaspoon. Okay, we're going to add it and we're going to mix it very well. Okay, this is nice and fluffy. I am going to add half of my powdered sugar. I don't like to throw all the powdered sugar inside. I like to do it in 2 steps. So I'm going to mix it slowly. Nice and incorporated. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my sugar, powdered sugar. Let's mix it one more time. Okay, everything is nice and mixed. I'm gonna clean my bowl from the bottom. Okay, we wanna take everything out. We wanna mix it one more time. This is so that we make sure that the powdered sugar is mixed completely. Okay, this is the final step. I'm gonna remove all the frosting. And I am ready to start adding it to 3 different bowls because we're gonna color our frosting. I'm gonna color my frosting yellow, pink, and red. So I'm trying to do in 3 separate bowls. I'm gonna put my frosting so it's easier for me to color it. Taste it, it's really good now. Okay, now I am ready with my coloring of my frosting. I like to do it with a Q-tip, so like that we don't mix it and we don't damage the food coloring. We're gonna mix it until everything is nice and incorporated. If you like it the colors a little more vibrant, add just a little more of the coloring. As you could see, the colors are really nice. I'm gonna put them aside and I'm gonna start adding it to my little piping bags. I like this tip because it has 3 different bags and it only has 1 tip. Look at this. It makes it more easier and we're not wasting too many bags and washing too many bags. Look at this. Okay, all the colors are in here. I am just going to wait until my cupcakes are done. I'm gonna let them rest. I just got my cupcakes out of the oven. They are nice and hot. I'm gonna let them rest for at least 20 minutes before I start decorating them. But I wanna show you that when you put a toothpick in and it comes out clean, that means that they are done. Let's let them rest and I'll see you back when they're nice and cold. And I'll see you back when they are done. My cupcakes are nice and cold. I'm gonna start doing the frosting right on the top. Let me show you how I do it. I put it in a cup to make it easier for me, and I added a tip, a star tip, and right now I'm gonna start doing the decoration. When you put the 3 colors in this Wilton tip, oh, they come out so beautiful. Look at this, my friends. It's so nice. The 3 colors come out really beautiful. What I like to do, my friends, is use the same tip for 2 cupcakes and then switch the tip. And with this Wilton gadget, what I do is very easily. Look, I have hearts here that I'm going to put right in the center for the theme of Valentine's. Look at this, how nice this looks. I have red and then I have a white one. Let's see how the white one is gonna look. Oh, they look so nice. They look so, so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside, but I wanna show you how easy it is to change the tip, but yet use the same bags. Let me show it to you. Look at this. I'm going to remove the tip and I'm going to change it to a circle tip. But I want to show you this step because it's so, so easy to switch the tips. Look at this. You just put it, you're ready to go, and you'll have a totally different design on your cupcake. This is the circle tip, and let me show you. Look how beautiful this looks, my friends. And it's so easy to switch tips. Look at this. Oh, it came out really nice. I'm going to do one more. And then I'm going to switch the tip one more time to a star tip. Because I want to have 3 different designs on my cupcakes. Oh, the hearts look really, really nice. I'm going to continue. And I'm going to show you how the star tip looks when you do your frosting. I have switched to my star tip and now I'm doing the star tip. And it's so easy, my friends. I really do recommend you to go get this little gadget from Wilton. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look. A totally different design on the top. The colors come out so perfect. They look so amazing and professional, okay? They look really, really nice. I'm going to add the hearts right on the top. You decide what decoration you want to do on the top. But I found these hearts and they look so beautiful. Look at this. I'm done. I am ready for my presentation. With my cupcakes for Valentine's. Look how delicious they come out, how pretty and how perfect they look. I showed you how you could change the little tips of the bags so that you could make it as beautiful as you want. This is the part I love and I enjoy, tasting my recipes. Look at this. They are so soft. Let's see how this came out, okay? Excuse me. Nice and soft. The vanilla perfect and the sugar perfect. This just came out perfect. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time we make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I will stay enjoying my vanilla cupcake. Bye-bye.